very happy to be here, to be a part of Midday Showbiz Awards. In fact, Midday and the Jagran Group, they have been forerunner, they have been leaders in terms of providing apt information to we citizens, which is a healthy basis for a robust democracy.
And you've always been encouraging events that is related to, food, health, and of course you're an amazing singer yourself. How does it feel encouraging art and culture?
In fact, this is the basis of our country. Our country is known for art and culture. Our industry has made us proud. Mumbai is a well-known place, mainly because of the film industry and the artisans we have here in Mumbai. So I'm proud that they are being awarded. They have a great influence on our culture. They have a great influence on the overall conduct of our population.
Ma'am, is it possible to give us one line of
I'll try.
oh,
Thanks.
thank you so much.
Thanks.
As always, and it's an honor to be here. And thank you very much for having us and the team Rosie.
How do you feel that finally art and entertainment is back?
Feeling relieved because this is how badly we've been waiting for it. But I'm very happy that each and every person is taking a lot of precautions for COVID, and it's also taught us a lot of lesson and the value and the necessity of also coming back to entertainment field, which is also like absolutely important for all of us. So yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
Best wishes for Midday Showbiz और आई थिंक इट्स द सेकंड टाइम दे आर हैपनिंग इट्स हैपनिंग तो पहली बार भी मैं आया था और आई एम फॉर्चुनेट अगेन और कोविड के बाद आई थिंक दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट फंक्शन विच आई एम अटेंडिंग तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि एक साल से तो हम लोग कहीं बाहर निकले ही नहीं और बस जो बहुत वीर हैं जो बाहर निकल रहे हैं हम तो इतने वीर हैं नहीं जो बाहर निकले आज निकले पहली बार तो बस अच्छा लग रहा है एंड सबको मेरी शुभकामनाएं मिडे को भी और आप सब लोगों को भी जो भी सामने खड़े हैं भाई अपना ख्याल रखें टेक केयर और मास्क नाक पे नीचे नहीं रखें नाक के ऊपर रखें
Very good and nervous also. This is the first time I'm attending a function like this. Mask is right here. Just gonna come up with this. But I mean, we have to get back to normal, and I'm very happy to be here at Midday Showbiz Awards. I believe it's the second year. I wish them all the best. I'm very happy to be here and excited to see what's in store.
सर कैसा लग रहा है आपको मीडिया आइकन अवार्ड्स में आकर?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि लॉकडाउन के बाद मुझे कोई अवार्ड शो पे आने का चांस मिला है और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि इट्स मिड डे एज अ ब्रांड आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग फ्रॉम द टाइम they've started and it's been a great journey. You can say grown up with Midday in Mumbai. I'm looking forward to meeting. I hope some people will show up in spite of the situation that we are in, the pandemic situation we are in, and I hope to be able to at least meet some people. काफी time हो गया.
And how does it feel? You're such a versatile actor, and it feels really nice to see you. We will be seeing much more of you. We've been seeing you all across OTT.
Yeah, actually, everything that I shot for last year in 2019 came out in the lockdown because I think content was in high demand. So even films which were supposed to be for theatrical release also came out on the OTT platforms. So I think that is the reason I was everywhere during the lockdown in all the platforms. Because I had, I think in 6 months I had 6 releases or something like that. But that's a coincidence, and now there's nothing else left, so it's back to the drawing board, back to work to make stuff. So we've started shooting now. I'm taking precautions for the pandemic, obviously, and it'll be a while. I think at least a few months till you see me again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
मैं हमेशा अवार्ड्स जो है इज़ अ वे टू अप्रिशिएट आर्टिस्ट्स, यू नो। आप अगर कोई अच्छा काम करते हो, उसे अगर कोई सराहता है, तो वो हमेशा आर्टिस्ट्स के लिए एक्साइटिंग होता है. सो यस, आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अ ग्रेट इवनिंग. आई वुड से मिड डे हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन काइंड. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर निकलती नहीं हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो इधर उधर जाती नहीं हूँ, बट वेन एवर मिड डे हैज़ रिटन एन आर्टिकल ऑन मी, दे हैव बीन रियली काइंड. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई एम वेयरिंग अ बॉबी के, जो मेरी टीम ने स्टाइल किया है, एक्सो एक्सो टैलेंट, एंड आई एम really excited. I think I'm actually looking pretty today. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys, after the lockdown, I think this is the first time I've dressed up and I've come out. So I was a little nervous because वो एक आदत होती है आपकी, you know, to do your hair, to just put on a good dress and everything. वो शायद पिछले 8-9 महीनों में छूट गई थी, but now slowly we're getting back into it. So today was like 5 minutes. I just wanted to look at myself. Okay, I'm looking nice. See, it was disappointing because मैं travel करने वाली थी, बहुत सारे plans जो है postpone किए मैंने, लेकिन in a way it was a very creative lockdown for me. Me and Aryan, of course, we created so many good songs, and you know, I think for us it was interesting because we came up with a lot of good ideas and a lot of new things. So it was okay, not that bad. Yes, definitely. I am doing an English film called Dear Mom. जिसके लिए I'm just waiting for them to open the travel so I can travel. And of course, my music album is going to come next month. So there are a few things in pipeline. Thank you.
Hi everyone.
How does it feel to be a part of Midday with Icon?
Well, Midday in itself is iconic because ever since I've been around, I've always read the Midday, and that's a part of my everyday Mumbaikar lively, lifestyle. And I think so. Mumbai would be incomplete without Midday, and therefore, I think this iconic night is dedicated more to Midday than anything else.
You're an icon by yourself. So how does it feel coming into the entertainment space after such a big year?
Well, when I started my career, I remember the first big news, even before my first film came out, on me, was in Midday. And ever since, it's been a great relationship, mostly good, sometimes bitter, but mostly sweet. But I love the fact that Midday celebrates us and gives us a chance to communicate with so many readers, the rest of Mumbai, and connect with them on a heart-to-heart. And that's why I love Midday. Well, हम लोग अपने आप को जब देखते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि हम बहुत यंग हैं, लेकिन हमको फिर रियलाइज होता है कि अब हम सबको 15-15, 18-18 साल हो गए. So we have also suddenly started becoming seniors now. So throwback picture with John was from 2004. जब हमने साथ में एक फिल्म की थी काल इन कॉर्बेट, and we had so much fun. हम एक दूसरे की बहुत खिंचाई भी करते थे, एक दूसरे पे प्रैंक्स भी खेलते थे, और with the one and only legendary Ajay Devgan, who is the ultimate prankster, हमने बहुत मस्ती की. So that was a great shoot in Corbett. And today was his birthday. He shares his birthday with my father and with Bhau, with Ritesh Deshmukh. So it's a special day, and I decided to reach out to all of them and send them my love. Cheers, guys.
Ma'am here. Ma'am here. Ma'am here, sir. Both of you here. Ma'am here. Yes, sir, sir. Sir, यहाँ पे मिशन हट शैडो आ रहा है यार नीचे देख ये पूरा शैडो मैम 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 यहाँ पे बस 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 मैम 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 यहाँ पे मैम आगे चेक कर मैम आगे चेक कर मैम मैम
Yeah, very excited, you know. The whole year has been very depressing because of COVID. So good to have a few award shows happening and good to be here, you know. Excited to see what's going on inside. Yeah. Yeah, I mean it's a good feeling because the times we've been locked in and you know even if we are shooting then you know we don't have that much time to go out and do anything. So I think it's good to have a few award shows now and you know it's a nice feeling to see people together and people getting awards and that's very important. I know, I mean, we are also hoping कि Sushant को justice मिले. We've been fighting for that for a long time. But you know, it's a government inquiry. End of the day, we have to wait. What are the answers? There's a delay in the inquiry. We feel there's a delay. So we all just feel that we hope कि justice मिले. But as I've said, अगर it takes a political turn, then it's very difficult to get things going. So I just hope that the right thing is done. I think political pressure है और कुछ नहीं है. मतलब I personally feel that politics is bigger than the case and that's what's taken the shape. So political pressure की वजह से आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहा. I think that's the only reason. Thank you so much. Sorry?
Go back. नमस्कार भाई नमस्कार तो मास्क तो थोड़ा बिछाओ ना नमस्कार नवाज भाई नवाज भाई यहाँ पे नमस्कार यार नमस्कार सर सर नमस्ते आप सर नमस्ते सर सर वन
ऑफकोर्स बहुत अच्छा लगा कि बहुत मेहनत की थी इसके ऊपर हमने रात अकेली के ऊपर अप्पा एंड मैं ऑफकोर्स जैसे हनीत रेहन हैं पंकज हैं स्मिता है जो राइटर थी उनको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद उनको भी देना चाहूँ उनका बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है इस फिल्म को वहाँ तक पहुँचाने में और जितने भी मेरे फेलो एक्टर्स हैं उनको भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि उन्होंने बहुत ही अमेजिंग काम किया उस फिल्म में. आई थिंक ये पहला मेरा भी आफ्टर लॉकडाउन मेरा भी पहला वो है ये इवेंट है और मीडिया जिस तरीके से इस इवेंट को बहुत ही ऑथेंटिक बना रहा है तो आई होप कि वो नेक्स्ट ईयर भी उसी तरीके से होगा और कंटिन्यू रखेगा अपनी वो ऑथेंटिसिटी. मेरी फ़िलहाल जनवरी में मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ संगीन, और उसके बाद कुशाल नंदी की फिल्म है जोगिरा, और उसके बाद लेटर ऑन काफ़ी पूरा लाइनअप है। लेट्स सी। हाँ, वो मैंने एक वॉइस ओवर है मेरा फ़ोन पे, अनुराग से बात है और मुझे बताया था कि इस तरह का कुछ है, तो मैंने कर दिया वो, क्योंकि अनुराग तो ऐसी चीज़ है, वो कुछ भी बोलेंगे मुझे, अगर झाड़ू देने के लिए भी बोलेंगे सेट पे तो मैं वो भी कर दूंगा उनके लिए सब कुछ हाजिर है मेरा।
कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? बढ़िया, एकदम हेल्थी है, फिट है, कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा है, आवाज़ कम हो गई। अच्छा, सेटअप कर रहा है, ठीक है, हम फोकस में हैं जी। मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि पहली बार मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ, इतने सारे लोग साथ में देखने को मिलता है, और ये पहला इवेंट है मेरा, और तो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ लोगों को मिलने के लिए, आप लोगों से। सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस इवेंट। हाँ जी, मिड डे के बारे में इतना कहना चाहता हूँ कि जब से मैं पहली बार मुंबई आया था, तब से मैं मिड डे ही पढ़ रहा हूँ, रोज़ पढ़ रहा हूँ, और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि द पेपर गोज़ ऑन फॉर एवर, क्योंकि ये ताज़ा खबर लाती है हमारे लिए, एंड वी एंजॉय द पेपर। जी, मेरा लॉकडाउन बहुत ही अच्छा रहा, फैमिली के साथ कुछ काफ़ी समय बिताया, और फिटनेस और हेल्थ पे काफ़ी ध्यान भी दिया, तो मेरे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। और अगर देखा जाए तो द प्लैनेट ऑल्सो बिकेम सेफ, पोल्यूशन भी इतना कम हो गया, सो इट वाज अ गुड टाइम फॉर मी। ठीक है, थैंक यू। यार काफ़ी महीने, एक्चुअली 1 साल के बाद भी ये सब कर रहा हूँ, जैकेट पहन
सर थांबा देखिए सर, थोड़ा आगे नो वेट फैन सर समझ एक मिनट
आशिम को अच्छा लगता है। ये 1.5 kg है, नहीं ये कम है बहुत, वैसे तो मैं 6 kg पहनता हूँ। सिक्योरिटी होती है और आप सब लोग हो ना। थैंक यू सो मच, मुझे यहाँ पे इनवाइट किया पावनी जी ने, थैंक यू।
इतना आगे क्यों जा रहा मुँह पे? अरे मैं फोटो ले लूँ। देखो
अरे भाई
निकलने वाला है,
साइड में हो जाना, बाकी सबको सेट कर दो ना, साइड हटा देना, बाकी सबको
सब लगा है मास्क सबको है।
अरे सामने लगा है।
I feel like I'm bringing her down for my wedding day. Here comes the bride.
Wow. Together.
Wow.
Ready, man?
You know, like protecting your chin, it's perfect.
सनी मैम भैया, सनी लुक या मैम, सनी मैम भैया, सनी मैम भैया,
Look better. Yeah.
both of you, yeah, both of you, yeah.
Ma'am, wait, look here first.
Sir, yeah, ma'am, yeah, Sunny ma'am. Sir.
Thank you.
It feels great. First
after so long, and excited to be here, excited to get out of the house and, you know, see beautiful people all dressed up.
COVID situation actually, the award going on, does it really make a difference actually?
हाँ अभी difference हो रहा क्योंकि आप mask नहीं पहन रहे हो sir. I understand who you are. I think that's the hardest thing is, you know, everybody should wear a mask. And अगर आप mask पहनोगे, then, you know, everybody's risk also goes down, people who are around you. So it's just a matter of being safe and understanding your surroundings. I call my team and myself the mask police. सबको बोलते हैं mask पहनो, mask पहनो. But, you know, it's our households and our families that we have to keep safe.
Do you feel after this pandemic actually one more accessory has come up, like, you know, mask also you had a matching mask.
Yep, my matching mask.
What have you to say about it?
Yes, of course, having a matching mask with your gown is the best, and Swapnil made a beautiful gown, but he also made a beautiful mask.
Professionally, we're talking about how was the, like, maybe during the pandemic still, and then professionally, working-wise, were you working, what all things you did during this?
Right, so I only just came back. It's been a few weeks now, and we left for California in Los Angeles for, I think it was 7 महीने के लिए. So बहुत लंबा सफ़र हो गया था वहाँ, and now it's time to be home, time to come back to work, time to come back to where I want to be, and so does my family.
My last question, any New Year's plan actually?
New Year's? I'm going to be in Calcutta for a New Year's, very small New Year's event.
Thank you, Shola.
Thank you.
So Shreyas, you're getting an award for contribution to theatre and performing arts. How does it feel?
Well, it feels wonderful. In fact, to be very honest, my contribution to theatre and performing arts will begin now with the new platform, the new OTT platform that we're launching, which is dedicated to theatre and performing arts. So I'm glad that, you know, Midday Showbiz Icon decided to encourage me with this particular award. I guess the journey has just begun for me. Yeah.
We could say life comes a full circle for you from that to the OTT platform.
Obviously, yeah. I mean, I started with theatre, and to receive an award for that, obviously, it's a huge, huge honor. Somewhere, I think the whole fact that theatre getting recognized is also a big thing for me, and at the same time, all performing artists. So, thank you once again. See you guys.
And on everything, myself, Daniel, who's right here, our entire team, and you know, it's amazing to be able to get recognition for something that we've literally put our heart and soul in. I'm wearing our new nail polish brand, which is why they're all different colors. But really, really excited about this.
We wish you all the best, and in the coming years, you get more and more awards.
Thank you.
मैम लोग क्या मैम लेफ्ट तुम कम इन सेंटर
Quite. I think this is my first live event after, you know, COVID happened to all of us. So yeah, it feels like deja vu. It feels like very special. It feels like we are getting back to normal. So it's special for so many reasons. And I think almost after a year, we are coming together again and celebrating showbiz. A lot of people are going to, you know, be awarded who fairly deserve it. And it's a very special moment for all of us to restart life as we had known it.
What do you want to say about Midday? What do you have to say about Midday?
I think Midday is a publication that has been with us for so long. It's like almost we've grown together with it. and there is a sort of authenticity, there is a sort of reliability that I associate Midday with, you know, and especially the afternoon features. So yeah, I think that's the USP, and I really respect Midday as a publication, and I think all of us do. So I'm glad that they put together this event, and thankful to them, because this is one way of celebrating our work. So very thankful to that. I mean, again, thanks to Midday and all the jury members and whosoever have, you know, thought that I deserve it. I'm very deeply touched and humbled. And also, thanks to the audience who've kind of supported me this whole journey, who've loved me and appreciated my work. And they are the ones who motivate me to do better and reach higher heights. So Criminal Justice Season 2 is getting released on the 24th of December. I hope जैसे हमने आपको Season 1 में you know entertain किया था, हम आगे भी करें Season 2 में, and I hope the audiences appreciate it and give it as much love. Then there is a movie that I did with Devendra Sharma as a lead, मेरे देश की धरती. That might come early next year. Ashram 2 is in the making, Asur 2 is in the making. There's another show that I've just shot for. I can't talk much about it because it's not been really, you know, publicized yet. And there's another show that will start again somewhere March. So let's see. Thank you. Thank you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.